meaning it's a lifetime website na pwede nyo nang gamitin. Maybe we could have at least some update from time to time, but we literally integrated the Liwaliw Travels so far sa isang online travel agent portal system na siya, which is we already have at least 10 suppliers, no? Can you imagine that we that the company Liwaliw Travels affiliated with? So ginawa na po natin na pwede nang mismo yung clientele nyo na magbubuk doon sa atin sa website mismo, where you can able to also get a commission directly kasi we integrated through affiliate program system dito sa ating mga supplier na i-share ko sa inyo maya-maya, no?